Hello kids, it's Mr. Agee here, and I'm going to explain to you what your assignment is for writing today, Monday, January 4th, 2021. So you're going to go into today's folder here, which is the January 4th through 8th folder. You're going to click into the writing folder, which is the green one, and I'm going to ask you to do some written reflections of the first semester of third grade. So you're going to click into this assignment here, and it is an assignment. You click in where it says first semester of third grade reflections. The directions are open the Kami document and type your answers to the reflection questions. When you're finished, submit your responses. So when you open up the file, make sure you click on the Open Assignment with Kami button, and you'll see a document that looks like this. So it's got the heading Writing Monday, January 4th, 2020. The directions are write a reflection of your first semester in third grade. Use the form below to help you organize your thoughts. Fill in the blanks and respond in complete sentences using the text feature in Kami. So you're going to be using the text box here, but first things first, you got to fill in the blank. Overall, the first half of third grade was blank. So you use the text box feature here to type in what you want to say there. And then you give an explanation why in a few sentences below. So you'll create a new text box inside here, and you will write your complete sentences that explain why you think what you think. And then you go down to the second question here. What was the best part of math? What was easy and what was challenging? So your job is to answer both of those questions. It's really three questions. So you see two question marks, but this second question has two parts, what was easy and what was challenging. So I would expect your answer to be three sentences at least. So the best part of math was, and I thought that blank was easy because blank, and I thought that blank was challenging because blank. What was your favorite thing about reading? Explain why in a few sentences below. So notice that I'm asking you to write more than just one sentence. Do the best that you can on this, okay? So you're going to open up a new text box every single time you answer these questions. How do you think you did on the speech writing project? What did you like about it and what was difficult for you? So again, that's at least three sentences. And then what was your absolute favorite thing we did in the first semester and explain? And the last one is what goals do you have for yourself as a learner in the second semester? So that's starting today, moving to the end of third grade. What do you want to improve in? What do you want to get better at? What's something that you want to learn? Maybe you want to improve one of your habits as a student. Maybe you actually have something specific that you'd like to learn. But that's up to you. These are your thoughts. There are no wrong answers really, unless you're not actually answering the questions. If you're not answering the questions, that's the wrong thing to do. If you stay focused on answering the questions, then your thoughts are your thoughts, your opinions are your opinions, and that's what I'm asking you to put down here. When you're finished, you go up to the Turn In button and then you submit it by clicking the blue Turn In button again. All right, so make sure if you have any questions about this assignment, you post them to me in using the messenger function in Schoology. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing what responses you give me. Enjoy.